Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, in my previous video, I had discussed about the notification from Indian Air Force. So friends, if you qualify this examination, then you will be getting a salary of up to 75,000. Okay. So friends, Indian Air Force Commission. Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, in my last video, I had discussed about the notification and the opportunity from Indian Air Force. So friends, if you are 10 plus 2 or if you are a graduate student, then you are eligible to get a salary of 75,000 in Indian Air Force with lot of benefits and perks. So friends, Air Force Common Admission Test, that is AFCAT 2 2021 for flying branch and ground duty technical and non-technical branches, okay, for courses commencing in July 2022, right? Okay, date for submission of online application 1st of June to 30th of June 2021. Friends, I will also show you how to fill the form, what all details are required. Okay, so we will be also filling the form today, so that you will be able to apply right now, and then the exam will be conducted on AFCAT examination will be conducted on 28th of August, 29th of August, and 30th of August 21, right? So date has been also announced. Now you have to fill the form, and friends, the notification is quite long. You can see how many pages are there. So all the details. So I saw there were many comments. So this notification also I will attach in the uh, the link I will give in the description, so that you will be able to go through the notification, which will help you to understand what is the eligibility criteria for each and every post, because there are multiple posts are there. We have flying branch, okay, so we have for pilot basically, and then we have ground, and then we have technical non-technical jobs. So a lot of job opportunities are there. So ground duty technical and non-technical flying branch, okay, NCCS special entry, okay. So a lot of details are there, and for everything the eligibility criteria has been given. So if you'll come down, you can see there are a lot of each and every details has been given. Flying branch. So friends, for flying branch, candidate should have mandatorily passed with a minimum of 50% marks each in maths and physics at 10 plus 2 level, and graduation with minimum 3 years degree courses in any discipline from a recognized university with a minimum of 60% marks or equivalent. Okay, so even there are jobs, certain jobs are there here which needs only 10 plus 2, right? So friends, you just need to go through this notification. So regarding your eyesight, okay, regarding your physical fitness, so male and female both can apply for this. And friends, Indian Air Force, working in defense will be really a very much satisfying job, because you are working for your country. Okay, now, so friends, this link will be also given in the description. So from here you need to apply and register. Okay, so not yet registered, yes, so we have not yet registered. So click here on the register now. Okay, now you need to give your full name here. So friends, age also has certain limitations, so you need to check. Okay, so your father name, and then mother name, okay, your email and contact number. So fine, select your secret question. So where were you born? So you can select and fill any secret questions and answers, and then captcha. So captcha will always create a problem. Okay, now we are sign up, right? Okay, so after this registered successfully, so we can save it. Your system generated password is sent to your registered email ID. Please check your email and log in with the given credentials to change the password. Okay, and friends, one more good news here is, so live aptitude and reasoning for all placement exam. So it is TCS, Infosys, Accenture, Capgemini. So for this, the aptitude crash course is going to start from 5th of June. And friends, so what is the main thing about this course is, so you will be able to take two tests. So these tests are free, it is unlocked. So friends, take test, okay, and we will be able to see your marks. So so after you buy this course, there are two tests are there. So you attempt this course, and after completing the course, again you attempt this test, and you will be able to see the major difference in terms of your learning. So this is the first time which we are implementing, so that you will be able to measure, right, how much you have learned from this courses. You just go to your email. So after registration, right, so your login ID is this and system generated password is this, right? Okay, so my email ID is same, so there is no change in the email ID. Okay, now, so password we have to use. So I have copied the password and then I have put it here, and then URE, and I could see this is G1. Okay, so I'll be always scared of this captcha part, and then click on login. So after registration, you will be getting a mail, and that mail will help you to change your password. Okay, so now I am going to change my password here. Okay, so you can keep any password, fine. And then again, captcha, how many captchas are there? LSA. Okay, now submit. So once you submit, then definitely your password will be successfully changed, right? Okay, so your password is changed, and now we are going to sign in now. Okay, so with the changed password, and here the captcha is RD6Q and 5. Okay, now login. So the procedure is little tricky, or you can say little lengthy procedure, but yes, this is government job, and government job procedure will be always little lengthier. Now, so friends, uh, please follow steps sequentially for application exam category. So AFCAT non-flying branch and metallurgy branch. So for AFCAT, we have to fill instructions, fill application form, upload documents, select exam city, final submission, make payment, payment status, and preview application. Okay, so definitely you are going to fill for AFCAT, right? Click on instruction part. Okay, so guideline to fill up the application form, right? So you just need to read that. So friends, because what size of photo, and there is one examination fees of also 250 rupees. Okay, so non-refundable, so you need to pay a fees of 250 rupees, and also they have given all those details like name of the candidate in full letter. All right, so full in block letters, branch, course number, and year of examination. So all those things carefully you need to fill it. Okay, now I will take you through the details, so I will not waste much of time. Okay, now second is personal information. So some of the is already filled. So next I will fill the email ID is prateekkumar.124. Okay, so candidate visible identification mark. So friends, if you have any mark on your body, then you can put it. So you can put mole on the left hand. I have it, so accordingly you can fill. Okay, now CPSS or PABT status. So friends, if you know, if you don't know something, you can open this. Okay, computerized pilot selection system is conducted at Air Force Station boards for induction in the flying branch. CPSS is one in a lifetime test, and results are valid for all future attempts for selection in uh, your aviation cadre, right? So friends, definitely I have not applied earlier, so not appeared. Okay, so if you have not appeared for the flying branch, you just need to select not appeared. Do you have any current valid commercial pilot license? No. Are you serving airman of Air Force? No. Select gender. Do this one, you have to select it carefully. Okay, male, female. Select marital status, so unmarried. Okay, enter your date of birth. So date of birth has been already taken. What I will do, I will just put it 2000. Okay, fine. Confirm your date of birth. Now it is birth date is not matched. Now if you will save and continue, it will say it is matched. Personal details saved successfully. Now your education level. So based on your education level, they will show you the required jobs. Okay, so if you'll put 10 plus 2 plus graduation, right? 10 plus 2 plus graduation for me. So the details will come right with that, and even the jobs will also come according to that. So select graduation level. So you can see what is the level. Okay, so BE BTech 4 years or cleared section A and B. So friends, for everything they have given the details. Okay, so you have to select it very carefully. Do not say, sir, I have done some mistake. Okay, so any other graduation in BE BTech not falling in the category of graduate option A and B. So graduate option A is BE BTech 4 years degree. Okay, mechanical discipline, aerospace engineering, aeronautical engineering, aircraft engineering, mechanical engineering, okay, mechatronics, okay, and then second is computer science. Okay, so here for computer science engineering and other engineerings, we have to select option B, right? So friends, they have given the details very nicely, so you will be able to select each and every details accordingly. Okay, you do not have to worry. Select qualification, so bachelor of engineering, okay, and then select this thing qualification stream. So we have everything. So electrical and electronics, okay, so all available electronics and communication engineering. Okay, course duration in years, so course duration in years is 4. Name of the institute's college, so MS Ramaya Institute of Technology, okay. Name of the university, so it was VTU for me. And date of obtaining the graduation, friends, each and every detail please fill carefully. So 8/6/2000, okay, so I'll fill 2019, okay. Then inter aggregate percentage, so 81%. Do you have any current backlogs? So no. Okay, 10 plus 2, so inter gross percentage, so 70. Inter physics percentage 60, inter maths percentage 60. Okay, so some random details I am filling. You have to fill according to your details, friends. Okay, now, so friends, based on uh, what you have selected, so you are eligible for this 5. Okay, so flying branch, so you can bring it here, and then aeronautical, aeronautical engineering, this administration. So all 5 uh, exams you are eligible, so you have to select that. Okay, choose everything. So inter uh, EKT type applicable only for AEL AEM branches. Okay, so mechanical electronics and computer science branches. Okay, so you can select it here. Do you have certificate? No. Have you appeared? No. Okay, how did you come to know about our opening? So obviously social media, online study for you. Have you appeared for GATE exam? No. Okay, fine. Then save and continue. So course and other details, right? Fine. Then friends, communication, enter full address. So you can enter your address here. So Bangalore, I will write some number, 1508, Bangalore, urban. Select a union territory and cities, Karnataka it is. Select city, it is Bangalore. Okay, pin code 560094, it is coming automatically. So friends, nearest railway station I have put, and then landline number. So landline number, if you have any landline number, it is not mandatory field. You can see there is star is not there. Aadhaar card number, if you have, you fill. Check if your permanent address is same as correspondence address. So I have put same here. Otherwise, again, I need to fill all the details. Okay, save and continue. Please provide Aadhaar number. So Aadhaar number is mandatory here. So right now, friends, I'm just filling some details. Okay, because I'm not gonna make the payment. So you 5345, okay, fine. So save and continue. So I'm not going to make any payment, so Aadhaar card is not valid. Okay, so friends, after this you will be landed to this page. So photograph and signature, so you need to put your photograph and then you need to put your signature. Okay, and along with that you also need to upload your thumb impression. So thumb impression, friends, what you can do, you can mark with the blue pen here. If you do not have you know the way to get this thumb impression, then you can put the pen here and then you can get the thumb impression. Okay, so friends, after this you just need to declare, and after that the payment option will be there. Okay, so friends, this is a very easy way to fill the form, and whatever details I could cover, I have covered the details here. And friends, trust me, so Indian Air Force, the job is a very good job, so please apply for that. Friends, if you have any doubt with respect to filling the forms and age, okay, so you please follow this notification, and if you have any further doubt, we are trying to reply in the comment box, but this is the notification which will give you more and more idea.